four sides, side number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. You can see that it has two pair of parallel sides and two pair of sides which are equal in length. For example, this one is equal to that. Okay? And the length of this one is equal to this. So this one, my kids, is called what, in fact? It's called parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelo what? Gram. Has two pair of parallel sides and of equal length. This pair, this red one and the green one, are equal length and are parallel. So this one I will label as a polygon. Okay. Why? Because it has four sides. Then it is regular, non-regular. I will write irregular means, isn't it? Irregular. Okay. So as it is irregular, can I, let's say, give the name of this? You can write parallelogram or quadrilateral, as you like. Okay. So just write parallelogram. Okay. The next one, name the polygon, name the vertices. Okay, this one, how many sides, my kids? Side number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a quadrilateral. Is a polygon, but is we call it quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay. Now no need to tell if it is regular or non-regular. Just now try to write down the vertices. The vertices. So what are the vertices? So it will be T. The first one T. Then we have E. Then after E we did this. We told the vertices. The first vertex is T, then E, then, good boy, then B, then H, okay, then H, and H. Okay, now, what we have, which polygon has 8 sides? 8 sides, my kids. Not 6, not 5, not 3, 8 sides. Is it quadrilateral? No, quadrilaterals have only four sides. Okay. Is it a pentagon? Pentagon has only five sides. Is it a hexagon? Hexagon? No, because it has 6. And the key words here has 8. 8 sides, so it will be octagon. Good boy. 8 sides. Okay. The next. Okay. How many can you name, my kids? If it is, let's say, given some polygons and tells you should name this given. Okay? What is given as polygons? As a square, rectangle, trapezium, kite, and so on. So let's start. And each student has to pause the video and for 3 seconds and think of the question and read carefully the question. The question is clear. How many can you name? Okay, let's do it. The first one, my kids. Okay, this one, this polygon. Okay, equal sides. You can see equal sides. Okay, two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, all angles are 90 degrees. You can see this one is 90 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. Okay, this angle, and also this angle, my kids. This angle also is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So it has four sides equal and two pairs of parallel sides. Two pairs of parallel sides, and all the sides are equal, and the internal angle, each internal angle is 90 degree. Is what? Is a square. Good boy. Is a square. Is a square. The next. Here. We told this polygon has two pairs of equal sides. This side is equal to that. Okay? And the second pair of sides also are equal, that is colored with green. And here you can see this is 90 degree. This is, my kids, 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And this one 90 degree. This is a polygon. In fact, it's a quadrilateral. But we should specify more. Okay? Give specific properties. Means that this one is not a square. Why? Because the square has four sides equal length, two pairs of sides are equal, and all angles are 90. Here are all angles are 90, okay, and here also okay. But here two pairs of equal sides, meaning the green one is equal, the length of the green line segment is equal the length of the green line segment, and the blue line segment in length is equal to the let's say what is opposite to it. Okay, so this one is what? Is a rectangle. Good boy. So a rectangle has two pairs of equal sides, two pairs of parallel sides, and all angles are 90 degree. Okay. This one is a polygon. It has only one pair of parallel sides. So is what? This one is one pair of parallel sides. Meaning this one, the green one, is parallel to this. But in length they are not equal. This one also is this side is parallel to this. But in length they are not equal. So is it what? Is it quadrilateral? Yes, but it's a trapezium. Trapezium. It's called trapezium. Okay. The next, this polygon has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So two pairs of equal sides. This pair equal to this one, and this pair of sides equal to this one. Okay. So how can you, let's say, give the name of this shape? And no parallel sides. So this is a kite. Okay. The next example. Here we have a polygon with four sides, equal sides. This one equal to this, and this one equal to this. It's, let's say, like a square, but there is no 90 degree. So equal sides, okay. Then what else? Opposite sides are parallel. This opposite sides, this one and this one are parallel. Opposite sides, the blue one, the blue side, and this one are parallel. So that's why opposite sides are parallel. And opposite angles are equal. This angle, my kids, this angle is equal to this. Okay? And this one, this angle is equal to this. We call opposite angles are equal. So it's what? It's called a rhombus. A rhombus. Okay? A rhombus. Okay, for this one, this is a polygon that has two pairs of equal sides. Okay, this one equal to this, and this one equal to that. Opposite sides are equal, and opposite sides parallel. Opposite side, this side and its opposite side are parallel. Also, this one is parallel to this. And opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this one. and this angle also, opposite angles are equal, this one equal to this. So it's called a parallelogram. Parallelogram. So parallelogram has two pairs of equal sides. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. The next one. So this is what? This is a polygon with four sides, but all the sides are not equal. Okay? So it's called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, or just write a regular polygon. Okay. Now open your student book, page we told 124. We will try to do exercise number 1. Okay? Exercise number 1. A square has vertices at 3, 0, 0, 3, and negative 3, 0. What are the coordinates of the fourth vertex? Okay, this is a square. Okay, we'll use another color. This is the grid, my kids. Okay, this is y and this is x. Okay, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is my kids -1, -2, -3, and this one -4. Okay, then here we have -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. And here on the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, here my kids, this is the grid. I will try to plot this point. The first one, 3, 0. This is the x coordinate. And this one, the y coordinate. Okay? x3 means I will move 3 units to the right in the x direction. This is the x direction. Okay, this is the point, the first point. Okay, this one is read as 3, 0. X coordinates is 3 and y coordinates is 0. Here there is a 0. Okay, then the next x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinates is 3. X coordinates is 0 and y is 3. This is the second point, my kids. And -3, 0, -3, x equal -3, 0. Okay. Now try to what? The question, what are the coordinates of the fourth vertex? Okay. So the first vertex, I will just draw first my square. Okay. You can see this is my kids 90 degree. This is a 90 degree. Okay. 90 degree. Why? Because it's a square. Okay? And all the sides are equal. This side is equal to this. And to complete, let's say, drawing, I will do it like that. This is this square. So the fourth point is what? Of coordinates, x equals 0, y equal -3. So 0, -3. This is the fourth coordinates. This is the coordinates of the first vertex of my square. Okay. Now, this is for small a. Good boy. Amar, I will give you +2 marks. Also, Salim, Mashani, I will give you +2 marks. And Uday, I will give you also +2 marks. Ahmed, Tariq. I will give you 2 marks. And the last one, before the last one, Auf, I will give you +2. And the last one, Yusuf. Yusuf, I will give you 3 marks. Okay? So, now we continue small b. Who got 3 marks? Yusuf. Yusuf, now you are gonna try to solve this question, the sub question B. Okay? You can pause the video and read the instruction of the question. Then try to answer. As you got 3 marks, I will give you a chance, okay, to get at least to add you another mark if it is possible, of course. Okay. Sub question B is what? The points 3, 2 and -1, 2 are two vertices of a square. What could the other 2 vertices be? How many solutions can you find? Okay. Look, this one your coordinate grid. Okay, this is what? This is y axis. This is x axis. I will divide this into, for example, 5 equal parts. Okay? I will, okay, 3, 2, -1, 2. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Then this one, my kids, I will try to label it here. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, and this one -5, and so on. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. Then this one, my kids, is -1. This is -2. This is -3. This is -4. This is -5. Then I will try to plot this point. 3, 2 means the point moves 3 units to the right in the x direction, then 2 units up in the y direction. 3, 2. This is 3 and this is 2. Approximately this one. This is 2, okay. Okay. So this point of coordinates what? 3, 2. Okay, I will color it with the green. This is the first point. Okay? 3, 2. Then -1 to x equal -1. This is x coordinates and this is y. Okay? So x equal -1. So this is -1 and 2. What is 2? This one. Okay? So this is the second point. Okay, now I will draw my line segment. I will join these 2 points. Okay? So the question is very clear. We told that the points 3, 2, -1, 2 are 2 vertices of a square. Okay. What could the other 2 vertices be? Okay, if we like to go up or down, I will move down. So we told the unit into how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the length of this line segment is 4 centimeters. Then you will draw what here? This is 1, 2, 3. So -2. Approximately it will be. This is the third point. It's -3, -2. This is 3, -2. And this one, my kids, will be -1. -1 what? -1, -2. -1, -2. So now I will draw my square. This is the first square that you can draw. Okay, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. So all sides are equal. So what are the other 2 vertices? The first one is -1. Sorry, -1, -1, -2, means means x equal negative 1 and y equal